before you ride a jet coaster, you have to put your stuff in a box.
Okay. It's dangerous.
Yeah, sometimes we did.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can ride first.
Thank you.
There you go. Woo! It's good.
That's exciting.
Hachama coaster time.
Hachama, yeah.
Hachama, yay! Wow.
Oh.
You can see the view.
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
Pretty.
That is Yago.
I like how you made it. It's really nice.
You like that?
Yeah. Looks good. How long did this take you to make?
Pardon?
How long did it take to make the death coaster?
How long was it? I'm not sure. I think 8 hours? I'm not sure.
That's pretty good. That's not that long. Nice. It's like a whole day of work.
Nice, thank you.
Hard working. Hachama.
Hard working. It was really fun to make the jet coaster. Ooh.
I'm scared. Are we gonna die soon?
That is wow. No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Not yet. Yeah, that's okay. Actually, no. There's two. There's it's secret.
Okay.
Never mind.
I'll see it when we get there. This is really long. Impressive.
Yeah, it's really long.
You can see everything. It's like a tour.
Yes.
And have you been on a tour before where they say keep your hands and arms inside the train at all times?
Yay! You like jet coaster?
I do. I really like it. It's really cool. It's inspiring.
What about a 360 degrees one?
That? Huh?
Oh wait. It's hard to explain.
360 degree roller coaster?
60 degrees? No. That is the 360 degrees one. Like around
the Ferris wheel.
360 degrees. The loop. Yeah, loop roller coaster.
I love roller coasters. Do you like them? you like them? Come on.
Yeah, I love.
Yeah, me too. I laugh a lot. Like some people yell in roller coasters, but it makes me laugh.
There's a mouse. The Disneyland in America.
Yeah.
Have you been there?
I have. I've been to Disney. Yeah, they have.
I really want to go someday.
It's really fun. They have one in Japan too. They're just really cool.
Yeah. But the American one is really. This is the toilet. This is the toilet.
Nice, Hachama.
Nice. We forgot to touch the bed before the ride jet coaster. I forgot it.
I touched it.
Right. You touch it?
There's a bed here.
I forgot. Okay, that's okay. You can right here.
For me? Thank you.
Yes.
More! Yeah!
Okay, let's go to the second part
Oh,
of
the
Jet
second.
Coaster.
Ooh, it's more dangerous this time? I'm scared.
Oh, yes. No, that's okay. That's okay. Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Oh, okay, okay. I trust you. I trust you, Hachama.
You trust me? Actually, that's not good. I don't promise you.
I like the trees you put here. What is this? That looks dangerous.
Oh, what was it?
TNT?
It's just the toenail.
Toenail.
What is it? What was it called? The toenail. Toenail. Toenail.
Oh, tunnel. Yes. I thought you meant toe. Nails on the toe, on the feet.
Lip Ame. Lip Ame. That's okay. It's not yet.
Okay.
It's not yet.
There's fire. What is this fire?
Fire.
Why? We're safe.
It's safe. It's still safe. Not yet.
Okay.
It's really long.
That's nice though.
I'm thinking.
You can see everything.
Ooh.
Why is there a TNT lamp?
TNT ramp. I love that. Looks cute.
It's like a warning that something bad is gonna happen.
Warning. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. It's nearly. It's close. Where are you now? Okay.
A tunnel. I don't know about you, Hachama, but for me, when you go through a tunnel, you go,
Born. Wow. No way. I get up in a tower of a bubble. No. It's far away. Okay, maybe we can sleep now.
okay.
We can sleep first. Leap Ame.
I'm sleeping.
Sleep. Leap Ame.